Are you ready to stitch your way to sewing greatness? Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or just a thread-level newbie, finding the right sewing machine can feel like navigating a fabric jungle. With so many options, it can be hard to know which machines are truly a cut above the rest. Fear not, crafty friends. We've sifted through the bobbins and needle threads to bring you the best sewing machines that will have you quilting, hemming, and crafting in style. Let's dive in. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Want a deeper dive? Check out our website TopPicksNow.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest picks. Let's jump into it. Number 5, Brother XM2701, our pick for best budget sewing machine. Are you ready to revolutionize your sewing game without breaking the bank? Meet the Brother XM2701, the sewing machine that's like a trusty friend who always has your back. With 27 stitch options at your fingertips, you can tackle everything from cozy pillowcases to elegant dresses without so much as a hiccup. Setting up this beauty is a breeze thanks to the easy-peasy manual packed with helpful illustrations. It's like having a sewing buddy whispering, "You've got this," every step of the way. And let's not forget the treasure trove of accessories, a buttonhole foot, zipper foot, and extra needles to kickstart your crafting adventures. You'll be sewing like a pro in no time. Wave goodbye to those pesky thread tangles. The XM2701 features an automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, because who has time for sewing drama? Sure, the buttonhole stitch might throw a little tantrum now and then, but hey, who doesn't have their quirks? Weighing in at a mere 12.6 pounds, this compact wonder is perfect for sewing on the go. Whether whipping up a masterpiece at home, dazzling folks in a sewing class, or showing off your skills at a friend's house, the Brother XM2701 is your perfect companion. Number 4, Singer 4452 High Speed, our pick for best heavy-duty sewing machine. Are you a sewing aficionado ready to conquer heavy fabrics like denim and canvas? Look no further than the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine, your new best sewing buddy. This powerhouse isn't just robust, it's also jam-packed with 110 stitch options, perfect for exploring and customizing your sewing escapades. Threading? No sweat. The user-friendly drop-in bobbin takes the frustration out of the process, turning what used to be a tangled mess into a walk in the park. Once you get the hang of those intuitive dials, you'll be stitching away with ease, creating everything from beautiful zigzag patterns to intricate designs that make your friends go, "Wow, did you really make that?" Sure, the buttonhole stitch might take a pinch of finesse, but hey, isn't that what makes sewing an adventure? And with a clear bobbin cover keeping an eye on your thread supply, you can say goodbye to those pesky interruptions. With handy accessories like a walking foot and heavyweight needles, you can tackle any project that comes your way. Weighing in at just 14.6 pounds, this machine combines portability and stability like a pro. Plus, at a speedy 1100 stitches per minute, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is ready to help you turn your sewing dreams into reality. Get ready to take on any challenge with style and confidence. Still on the hunt for that ideal sewing machine? No worries, more gems are coming up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop. New videos are always around the corner. Number 3, Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, our pick for best sewing machine for quilting. Are you a quilting whiz who dreams of turning fabric into fabulous creations? Say hello to your new best friend, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 sewing and quilting machine. This trusty sidekick boasts a spacious workspace and super reliable feed dogs, effortlessly guiding you through every stitch as you bring your creative visions to life. With a jaw-dropping 600 stitch options, yes, you heard right, you'll have the freedom to let your imagination run wild. Dive into a world of decorative and alphanumeric stitches and banish those clunky dials for good. Thanks to its intuitive buttons, navigating your projects will feel as smooth as silk, keeping you in the zone and your creativity humming along. Oh, and did we mention the extension table? Complete with a ruler, it's like having a crafting assistant that never asks for a coffee break. The built-in LED lights make your workspace as bright as your ideas, perfect for those late-night quilting binges when you're tackling intricate designs. Feeling a bit wobbly with those tricky turns? The slow stitch button gives you precise control so you can nail it, stitch by stitch. Durable and sturdy, this machine is built to last, just like your passion for quilting. So grab the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 and unleash your quilting prowess. Every idea you have deserves to be transformed into a stunning reality. Let's get stitching. Number 2. Brother SE600, our pick for best sewing machine for embroidery. Are you ready to elevate your sewing game with a sprinkle of flair? Enter the Brother SE600 sewing and embroidery machine, your new creative sidekick. Packed with 80 built-in designs and 6 fabulous lettering fonts, personalizing your projects has never been easier. Forget complicated setups. This machine rocks up fully assembled, just waiting for your genius touch. The clear instructions hold your hand through threading like a pro, so you can focus on your masterpiece. Sure, activating it for the first time might feel like an expedition, but just a gentle tap on the LCD touchscreen and voila, you've awakened the magic. Mastering the touchscreen could take a smidge of practice, but soon enough, you'll move through its features like a seasoned navigator. While your initial stitches may not be runway ready, don't sweat it. A little tweak of the tension can turn those May stitches into stunning statements. Decorative stitches gleam with pride, although fair warning, the buttonhole stitch might benefit from a tiny bit of extra love. This beauty weighs in at a manageable 26.2 pounds, flaunting an impressive 103 stitch options. Operating it is a breeze even if you encounter a pesky thread snag. Just grab a standard screwdriver and keep on sewing. With the Brother SE600 at your side, prepare to transform the ordinary into extraordinary. Before we reveal our top pick, take a look at the links in the description for the most up-to-date deals. If you're enjoying this content, hit subscribe and stay informed on the best products on the market. Number 1. Brother CS7000X, our pick for best sewing machine overall. Are you on the hunt for a sewing machine that will stick by your side like your best crafting buddy? Look no further than the Brother CS7000X sewing and quilting machine. With a whopping 70 built-in stitches, from utility to heirloom, decorative to quilting, this machine has everything you need to unleash your sewing superpowers. Straight stitching? It's smoother than your morning coffee and you won't wrestle with tension, even when tackling those slippery fabrics like chiffon. Buttonholes can seem like a secret society, but with 7 buttonhole stitches at your fingertips, you'll master them like a pro, boosting your confidence one stitch at a time. User-friendly? You bet. The drop-in bobbin system and automatic needle threader make setup feel like a breeze rather than a puzzling jigsaw. Plus, with an intuitive LCD screen, navigating your stitch options is as easy as scrolling through social media. Quilters, rejoice! The included quilting suite, with a quilt guide, roomy quilting table, and specialized feet, turns even the most ambitious projects into a walk in the park. And at just 14 pounds, this lightweight gem is ready to accompany you on all your creative adventures, safely packed in its hard protective case. Whether you're a newbie or a sewing superstar, the Brother CIS7000X transforms every project into an exhilarating chance to express your inner craft ninja. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get sewing. And that's a wrap. If you had half as much fun watching our list of best sewing machines as we did putting it together, hit that like button and show some love with a subscribe. Thinking of picking one? Tell us which in the comments. Which product had you saying, "I need this"? Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.